So here we're going to run this simulation of these 5 nodes, and we're going to start with everything being sort of perfect, right? Everything is fine in terms of these parameters. I think the default distance is 10 kilometers, but they have infinite coherence time. There's perfect success probability of swapping, so everything is sort of perfect. So let's see what happens there. So again, we're going to kind of get a bunch of outputs that have been installed in the protocols that each of these nodes are running, and we're going to see pretty quick that it's going to be pretty untenable to actually see what's going on. So these are each node is outputting information as to what's happening as it's happening. Okay, so that was pretty enlightening. Why don't we do something else? Because of this, right? When you get to these larger, simulations, it can be impossible to parse the information just like this. And so what we've done is create a little visualizer tool. So what I'm doing here is, instead of outputting just to command line, I'm outputting all of these outputs into a log file. Okay. And then I have just used our visualizer tool. So now we should be able to see within cell here our little visualization. So this is our 5 nodes that we have, and they have different types of messages. Oops, that was fast. So we start off with each node sort of saying, hey, we want entanglement. Each of the end nodes are saying, hey, we want entanglement, and forwarding that message along a chain within our repeaters. And then we have entanglements being formed, elementary entanglements here. And as soon as those are formed, the repeaters are able to go, okay, I'm going to swap. And that's what these green ones are. So these green ones are saying, okay, I'm going to swap the entanglement that was generated here and here, such that now I will have entanglement across this link. And this one does the same thing, right? Exactly as we just saw in the slides. And then the middle one does this thing, and now we have entanglement. And they lastly send some messages along to say, hey, yes, we have successfully swapped, such that at the end, everyone knows that yes, we have successfully established entanglement. And then they start again and do it ad infinitum.